down?
Hey guys, so we got another fucking thunderstorm. I think the last time this happened was last year in late summer, maybe fall, and we're gonna check out some puddles. I'm gonna just drive through some puddles here for the fun of it in this Walmart, in the Walmart parking lot here. This is where they usually hold the car meets here. There's another one. Now let me turn on the air here. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to open it because I don't want to fry my fucking electronics, but we're gonna drive some. I can't really splash due to my intake. I'll show you. It's pretty deep over here. This one. Hang on a sec. Yeah, my car is pretty wet after this, but
You're getting wet, son.
yeah, no. We're not getting wet, but this is fun, man. Yeah, man. Whoa, that was actually pretty damn cool. The wind is gusting about 30 miles an hour. For reference. You know what? I'm going to try another parking lot after this. So there's another parking lot I know that gets flooded real easy, and I'm going to head over there right now.
Which one are you talking to? Which one?
Bowling alley. I'll see you guys later. Guys, the roads are flooded. Oh, they're slowly starting to flood. I'm going to turn here, so give me a sec. This is quite literally the definition of
a thunderstorm.
I just gotta find out where the fuck do I turn.
You can't see shit though.
Fuck. Can't see where the fuck I'm going. Yes, this is the bowling alley. Their flooding situation is not as bad.
But Mother Nature is brewing up a shitstorm.
Yeah.
Mother Nature is brewing up a shitstorm. Yeah, Mother Nature is brewing up a shitstorm.
Here. That's all I see.
You can't see shit. Can't see shit.
The flooding here ain't as bad. What the fuck just happened? I think the lights just came off. Holy shit, that's a deep ass puddle right here, man.
Oh yeah. Shit.
Yeah, they just turned all the lights off.
Shit.
Ah! Okay,
I told you.
I'm gonna try a different spot.
This is why you shouldn't.
Is that a cop? Or regular?
Watching you. I'm watching people.
Let me check if that's a cop or not. What's that plate say? Cautious Okay, this is the parking lot of a gym. This is on a slight uphill, really, so you're not going to really see much here. So, here, let's go behind the Nissan dealer. Because the Nissan dealer is a big ass parking lot there. And it tends to flood. Tends to like get a little floody there. I'm gonna try to go back there right now. Okay, I've already gotten a ticket for using my phone while driving, so I'm gonna put the phone down really quick.
Ticket for phone use times 2.
Okay, across the street now. Running down the high beam so I don't crash. Oh yeah, I forgot there's massive potholes here. Chain song. Yeah, I completely forgot about the potholes. I need to get a dash cam. lights here are off. Just curious of the flooding over here. Then we will drive around the Nissan dealership. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that. You probably can't see it, but the flooding here is pretty good. I'm gonna run down this road here first. Like water here. Now I'm gonna turn into here. You're gonna drive into here. This part, check that out. There's flooding over here. Yeah, this one's not as badly flooded as the Walmart one. So let's turn back around. We're gonna head. Sorry, we're gonna head towards the dealership. There's the dealership parking lot here. Yeah, I got a lot of puddles right here.
We're in the rain.
The rain has died down a little bit.
Yeah, but we're still in the rain.
Now, we're gonna drive around this back of this Lexus dealership here. Storage. Okay, let me turn on this damn camera. Okay, camera's off. Let's go to the Nissan dealer.
Patrick promises the turn on smart release.
Whoa!
Oh,
Did you see that fucker? You saw that?
my goodness, yeah. I had.
The phone is so much fucking better.
Because it's an iPhone 4, so you have a 6. It's probably a busted up camera.
For the commute, and boom, buy one.
Got a Nissan dealer. This is where you can buy new Nissans. Okay, there's actually no good drains here, so let's find another place. Okay, this is probably gonna be the last clip for this vid, but this parking lot's got some decent little puddles here. They're not as deep as when we had that torrential pour and potholes, which I don't want to bust my tires. So now, that's it. That's literally the last thing. The rain's calmed down, so I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, the rain has stopped. I think these puddles have grown. So I'm going to drive and record. Puddles. That's deep. That's pretty fucking deep.
You can almost swim in it.
Yeah. Now it's guys, through all the puddles. I'm gonna try to do this without wetting my friend's phone. Yeah, guys, that's all the puddles for today. I'm gonna grab that shopping cart here and get it to the friendly Walmart man at Walmart, or dump it in the puddle so we can get wet. So I'll see you guys later.